Hello and welcome. I'm just going to run through your revision exercise. So the first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Word. So I'm going to type in here to my search, Word, and I'm going to click on the app that appears and double click on it. Microsoft Word then opens. I'm going to make this full screen and I'm going to open a blank document. You're asked then to type in the piece of text that's given to you in the question. So I'm just going to type that in now quickly. So I copied it in because I had it done earlier. You're asked then to save it as computer performance. So file, save as, and I'm going to save it to this PC and I'm going to call it computer performance. And save it. Then I'm asked to apply bold formatting to the words random access memory. So I need to just read through my text, find the words random access memory, highlight those words and apply bold formatting. And bold formatting, as we know, makes it stand out and gives it a lot more definition and a stronger color. The next question is to apply italic formatting to the text central processing unit. So you scroll through your document, central processing unit is here, highlight the words, and then I is for italic, and that makes your writing go slanted by clicking on the I command for italic. The next question is to change the font color to a font color of your choice. So I'm just going to click, drag over all my text and release. So that means I've highlighted it all. I'm then going to go to my font colors, which are in here, and I can choose whatever font color I wish. You're asked to choose a color of your choice, so you could get a live preview in the document and you select a color that you're happy with. So I'm just going to choose this nice purple color for today. The next question is to change the line spacing of the document. So it's because it's all the document, I'm going to keep it highlighted. Here, there is an arrow going up and down. Here, this command here is your line spacing command. So I want to change it to 1.5, and that just adds a lot more space between the lines when I do that. The next question is to change the background color of the document. So I'm going to go to Design, over here to Page Color, and I can choose a page color that I'm happy with. So Page Color is in here, which is under your Design tab. Okay. The next question is to add a header to the document. So I'm going to click on my Insert tab here, and I'm going to go to Header. There's lots of options that appear. I'm just going to click on the first one. It doesn't matter which one you choose. And you're asked to type in your name. So you type in your name, and you must remember to click on this button here, Close Header and Footer Tools, Close Header and Footer, to return to your main document view. The next question is to insert a page border. So I click on Design tab, and Page Border is over here. And I can choose one of these lines if I wish and add a color to it if I want. Something like that. You get a preview here. Or I can choose a bit of artwork if I want. Again, you'll see a preview here in the document. And the size is here. It's called your width. So you can decide on that. And click OK when you're happy. Now the next thing I want to do is insert a picture. So for example, if I want a picture to go to the bottom of the page, I'm just going to place my cursor down at the bottom of the page. Then I'm going to click on Insert. So it's very important you decide where you want your picture to appear first before you do anything else. So I want my picture to get bottom of the page, so I move my mouse down to the bottom of the page. Then I click on Insert, Online Pictures. It just takes a moment to load. And I'm just going to search for something related to my text, which is a computer. Now, any of these images that appear here with this Creative Commons box ticked means that these images are free to use and they're free of any copyright laws. So the creator has allowed them to be used and reproduced for free. So it's very good to use one of them. If that box wasn't ticked, it is important to note that you could be using something that has copyright laws attached to it. So that's why that is important to know. So I'm going to click on this image here and click Insert. Now that goes on to the next page. So I'm just simply going to make it a little bit smaller so that it doesn't move on to the next page. It doesn't matter if it does, but it's just easy for me to do that. Just make it a little bit smaller. The next thing I'm asked to do is to insert a shape. So I click on Insert and Shapes are in here. Now I'm going to choose one of these stars. If I want to change the color of it, I can simply just do that here if I want. And you get a live preview in the document as well. Now, the last thing I'm asked to do today is just do a spell check. So you can simply click on Review. On the left-hand side, click on Spelling and Grammar. Anything that needs to be changed, you can just change it and click OK. And that brings us to the end of your revision exercise on Microsoft Word. Thank you and take care.